Hi there, my name's John Stevens, pastor of Zion Lutheran Church in Oregon City, Oregon, and we're part of the ELCA. And this is Dollar Store Children's Sermons, where we take a look at the lectionary text and we tie them to an item at the dollar store. And this week we are going to use mini baby bottles. Yeah, mini baby bottles, which has to do with the birth of Jesus. On this Sunday, the gospel lesson says the birth of Jesus happened in this way, and it tells a story about the birth of Jesus, giving us a little foretaste of the feast to come, coming midweek in Christmas. Anyway, so using the baby bottles, and you can talk about things we do to get ready for the birth of Jesus. You know, the last week or a couple weeks ago we talked about wrapping paper as we get ready for the gifts, but this we can use the baby bottles talking about maybe a baby shower, how we get ready for a coming of a baby, and that there is a baby coming and we celebrate on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So that is that's what we're going to use, and talking about preparing our hearts, and as we prepare the spaces around us, and we can prepare our hearts. If the kids are old enough, you might want to give one of these baby bottles out. They're tiny, so probably a 2-year-old or a 3-year-old might be. A 3-year-old might be all right, but just watch. Be careful on that. They are a choking hazard, but you could give one of these out, and they can put that on their table or in their room as remembering that we are getting ready to celebrate the birth of a baby, God in the flesh. So, anyway, there we are. So that's the item for the children's sermon for this Sunday. So I hope you can use it as an idea, as a springboard. So thanks for stopping by, and hope you have a blessed week.